Hello there. Today we're going to be learning how to solve a triangle using the law of cosines and the law of sines. Here we have a SAS triangle, a side angle side triangle. As you can see, we do not have an angle that corresponds to a side. Because of this, we'll have to start using the law of cosines to solve. Okay, this is the law of cosines. B squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine b. Of course, the lowercase letters correlates to the side lengths, and the uppercase b correlates to angle b. This may not be what you're used to. This is fine as long as the ratios of the side lengths and the angles are maintained. When we substitute in the values, we get this. And after we simplify it, and even further, we get b squared is equal to 99.03. After taking the square root of that, we get b is equal to 9.9 feet. Okay, now that we're back at our triangle, we can substitute b in for 9.95. Now that we know this, and we have a corresponding angle and side, we'll be able to solve for things such as angle A, using the law of sines.
So here we have the law of sines formula, sine b over b and sine a over a. And as we stated earlier, just with the law of cosines, uppercase letters correspond to triangle angles, and lowercase letters correspond to triangle side lengths. And when dealing with the law of sines, this formula can be inversed, so that would be b over sine b, but in this case, we want to put the unknown values in the top. So when we substitute our known values, we have sine b, which is 50.5, over the new value that we calculated from the law of sines, 9.95, and our unknown value in the top, sine a over 10.4. So now we simplify. We multiply 10.4 to the other side, simplify further until we get the arcsine of 0.81, and we get angle A is equal to 53.76 degrees.
Yep.
So coming back to our triangle diagram, with our new value calculated from the law of sines, we calculated the value of angle A, 53.76 degrees. So now we have 1, 2, 3 known sides, 1, 2 known angles. And because we know that the sum total of a triangle's angles is equal to 180 degrees, we can add 50.5 degrees to 53.76 degrees and subtract them from 180, which gives us our angle C, which is equal to 75.74 degrees. And there you go, we have solved our triangle for all three sides and angles.